Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. I'm back out here on the production floor, and I happen to be walking down the main aisle, and I see this very large piece of tubing. It's a 4-inch by 6-inch by 1/4-inch thick piece of steel tubing, and I checked out the job. This is going to a drug retail that all of you are familiar with out in the Midwest. So we are building a DEA cage for this drug warehouse facility. So the Drug Enforcement Agency has to make sure that all the drugs are locked up. This post will be spliced together to make a 45-foot tall piece of upright post. It's going to be a big cage. This cage also has a slide door that's 8 foot wide by 17 feet tall. And that door will have an electric opener on it. It'll have an electromagnetic lock attached to it. So when the door opens, it'll automatically come back shut and have a secure lock on it. The base plate on this upright post is like 4-inch by 28-inch. We'll supply the anchors. This is going to be a huge cage. Not many people can do it. And it's going to take a really good installation for these guys to put this up. So that's what we have this week. If you need a DEA cage, we're the guys to call. We can do anything you need. I'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.